What's up, everybody? I'm Roddy from The Vault, and we've got two really cool cars here that we're going to do a little bit of restoration on. The first one is a 1961 Corvette. Now, this little beauty needs a little love, and we're going to put our special little touch on it. The other one here the owner brought to us is a 1970 model Bronco. Now, this thing is really cool already, and we're going to help it out, give it a little love on the inside, make sure she's running right, and if you are interested in getting your vehicle restored, no matter what level it's at, come see us here at The Vault. You can contact us by checking us out at thevaultms.com. Check us out on Facebook, or you can send us an email to thevaultms@gmail.com. If we can help you out, we want to hear about it and help you make that little ride a little bit cooler. See you soon.